They have those things out there to pacify you so you can feel like even though you're banging your head against the wall every day, because your mindset is that of a middle class mindset, that you can then go ahead and, live your life and not feel so bad. They go way past that. They understand the tax code. They pay little to no taxes because they're able to apply things like depreciation, direct write-offs, tax credits. They apply all these things to their business. Bonus depreciation. Like if you own a company, all right, you have an LLC, you own a company and you need a vehicle. Well, if you buy a vehicle, it's in the tax code right now, I think this year it's 80%. So if you went out and bought a brand new vehicle and it's over 6,000 pounds, you're able to then, and I'm not an accountant, so just make sure you talk with your accountant. You're then able to write off 80% of that this year in 1 year, 80%.